So if we think about that methodology then for year 2, what should we be doing differently? The key focus here in terms of a step-by-step methodology for year 2 and any subsequent year, the key thing to keep in mind is that what we're going to focus on is prioritizing change. So every step of the way, keep that in mind. And what do we mean with change? Is we're going to focus in this version of the materiality assessment on anything that's new, that is different, or that is a gap. And that gap means, of course, that you could have done something better, something's missing, something not compliant. So new, different, and a gap, really try to focus on that, on those changes. And to do that, we're going to create a little bit of structure as well. We're going to look at 3 core phases. The first phase is about reviewing and validating. And in that phase, we're going to look at what are the shifts in your business, identifying if there are changes in regulations, stakeholder concern. What is new information that we need to be aware of? Then we'll take that and we'll refresh and adjust. So we'll target some of the new risks we find or emergent topics or new impacts, changes in business strategy. And then finally, we're going to look at how do you document and report that. So it's about creating a structured process to do that rather than a full reassessment and an entirely new kind of setup for reporting itself.